Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the cooking stream that we've all been waiting for. Oh my goodness, we're going to be cooking up a storm. I can put you guys here. I can put you guys over here. I can put you guys up here. I could get you guys into the flowers. Now, what do we cook? We've got Carb Smart, so everything's Carb Smart. Lemon cream chicken. Pork Slovakia style salad. Carb Smart beef koftas. How can you not do the chicken dinner? True, on brand. Okay, so there are pantry items. Seasoned cauliflower with salt and pepper. Okay, so koftas are out. We are going with a lemon cream chicken. Everything's fine, by the way. Everything's fine. Okay, what else do I need? So, all of our nutritional information, everything that we need to know about this is on the side here. Each meal here is going to be 190 calories. Wow, the other one was like 400 that I saw there. This is a lean meal. Guys, what is this? What is this? An orange cucumber. Looks like we got a little pack of cream here. It says cream on it, so I know it's cream. Perfect, perfect. Oh my gosh, it's a green carrot. This is crazy. Dill garlic. Same thing, same thing. Dill garlic. See how they're like little packages? You don't need to buy like a big thing of dill garlic. You got it right there. A lime. All right. I love a good lime. You can tell it's a good lime by the smell. All right. And we've got chicken broth concentrate, easy. And some more spice, lemon pepper seasoning. Who needs salt and pepper? We got everything there. This is supposed to take 30 minutes and I've been here an hour. Opa! Before starting, preheat oven. Okay. Oh my gosh, it says 425, but I gotta do 420, guys, right? Check the oven. Wah, wah. Who's that? Get out of here. Get out of here. Who put that in there? Wash and dry all produce. I was going to do that anyways. They didn't have to tell me that step. Eat the lemon peel. What the frig? We've got to cut the zucchini. This should do the trick. Ha! Ha! Okay, I'm not messing around with this, okay? Somebody's going to get their fingies chopped off, and it's not going to be me. Cut, 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 cut. Hook, hook, hook. Nice. Okay, cut zucchini lengthwise. Shoot. Okay, peel and have the carrot lengthwise. I sure hope I have a peeler, guys. I cook all the time, guys. I cook all the time. Cut zucchini, peel a half carrot. I'm not gonna peel the carrot. I'm just gonna lose out on more carrot, you know? It's washed. Then cut into half moons. Hey, what's up, Doc? Yep, that's a carrot. And then we're gonna cut them into moons. Half moons. I thought they were going to say crescent moons. I was like, what? Peel, then mince, or grate garlic. Man, this looks like it was in dirt. I feel like a real adult right now, guys. Thank you guys for being here for this. All right. Whoa, oh no! The carrot got cut again. It's no longer a half moon. I don't have a garlic mincer, guys. Zester reporting for duty. Man, I love these things. They're great. So when they say zest it, where do I put the zest? There's like, where do I just put it off to the side? Where do I zest? Zest means like using the grate to grate the top of it. Like, I don't understand. Ah! What was that? But the zest is for a lemon cream sauce. Nothing's happening. It's not zesting. Okay, something's happening. Do you know what? If I was in the kitchen with somebody, if I didn't know any better, and they told me to zest something, I would think they were trolling me. I'm like, what am I doing? You're obviously trolling me. This isn't something people do. Add zucchini, carrots, 1 teaspoon of oil of an unlined baking sheet, seasoned with salt and pepper, and dill, garlic, spice, blend. Then toss to combine, roast in the middle of the oven for 5 minutes. All right, so pan. This is extra virgin olive. So we've got a little oil on there. Zucchini. Whoa, run away. Get back there. Was the garlic supposed to go on here too? So, we're putting it in the oven for 5 minutes, chat. Chat, I'm not setting a timer. This is on you, okay? This is your job, all right? Meanwhile, pat chicken dry with paper towels, season with 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. Oh shoot, sorry guys. I know you guys wanted to see me trying to open up a package. I really apologize. That's some people's favorite part of the cooking stream that we do all the time. Our hands are chickeny now. Dry with paper towels, season with 2 tablespoons of 2 tablespoons. Was I supposed to be measuring? Make sure not to touch anything with my salmonella fingers. Trust me, I'm very aware of where the salmonella is at all times. Very, very astute. I'm a very astute person. At this time, I think I can wash the salmonella thingies. It says 2 tablespoons. Does that look like 2 tablespoons, guys? Oh shoot, I should be, oh my gosh. I'm supposed to be heating up a pan up top too during this. I didn't read ahead. 5 minutes? Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes is up. So sear until golden brown, 2 minutes per side. When veggies have roasted 5 minutes, transfer chicken. Okay. Easy, easy, easy. All right, chicken on. Maybe too much olive oil. I got a little crazy with it. What did it say, 2 minutes? How long has it been on? I just don't want it to stick. This is like cheap pans. PUBG looks a bit weird today, I'd say. 7 minutes? It's been 7 minutes? Oh, geez. And I think we're good. So now, these get added over here. Nice, nice, baby. Okay, so we got some cream here and we got some chicken broth, a little zest. Okay, okay. Do the instructions come with the packaging or you online? So this all comes with it. This is HelloFresh. And 15 people, oh my gosh, look at that. You guys can get in on this if you'd like. When veggies are half roasted for 5 minutes, transfer chicken onto the other side of the baking sheet with the veggie roast chicken and veggies until middle of the oven, until veggies are tender and chicken is cooked through. So they said 12 minutes. So let's say 10 minutes from now. You can have these meals for real cheap if you like right now, but it's only in the States. Sorry, Canada and other places. All right. Make lemon cream sauce. Meanwhile, heat the same pan over medium. I think we were supposed to save some of the juice. I think you're supposed to read everything thoroughly first, guys, okay? But anyways. Orski bee, orski boo, orski boo, orski doski booski. Or do a piece we put a deep. All right, so I'm just assuming we just throw everything in with this. Meanwhile, heat the same pan over medium. When hot, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Then garlic, cook, stirring often. Okay, where's our garlic? So we don't have any butter. So I'm gonna probably add a little bit more oil just so this doesn't burn. There is cream though. Does the cream go with anything? Add a 1/4 cup water, cream broth concentrate, lemon pepper seasoning. Wait, we still have some. Yes. So this might not thicken up without the butter, but we'll see. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Whoa! What did I do? What did I do? Oh my goodness, oh my gracious, the cream, get the cream. Chat, I royally screwed this up, I'm sure. I think I was supposed to mix this stuff together first. Maybe? I don't know. It says add the water. Maybe this is too high. It said medium. This is like a concentrate. So there's a few things wrong with this right now. I think I gotta turn this down a little bit. Lemon pepper. Little lemon pepper. Oh, this is looking more like a sauce, even though my garlic is not minced whatsoever. I burnt the sauce. That's okay. The sauce was only supposed to be there for a moment. Cook, stirring occasionally until sauce thickens slightly, 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the pan from heat, then stir in half the lemon zest. Half the lemon zest? Half of that? It's like nothing. So now we just have to make sure the chicken's cooked and we prepare our dish. Plating's very, very important to me, guys. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love when stuff is very well plated. Didn't drop a single juice anywhere. The first cut is the deepest. Baby, I know the first cut is the deepest. Oh, that's hot on the old fingies. Yes, but make it look like we're not trying, you know? Make it look like we're not trying. It's a little rough around the edges, but it came out so good. Half of this sauce goes on there. Oh, yes, yes, yes. You can see the big pieces of garlic that I didn't mince, just like I want it. That, a little zest. Zest is pretty much gone. But there it is, ladies and gentlemen. We did it! Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right, but I'm a vegetarian, so I cannot eat any of this. I'm going to throw it out. Just joking, just joking. We got to try it. Where's the waiter? This could be the first choking death. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get a middle piece. This is so much better than my like microwaved pre-meals that I've been doing for the last year. Every time that I have real cooking, it's like, oh, all right. I see what it's all about. We absolutely nailed it. And this is something I could probably do easy and quick every time.